This is bad. Very bad. Mother Nature, what are you doing here? You're so scary. This is not normal. No, this is not normal. We're supposed to get a regular thunderstorm, not a severe thunderstorm. What the heck? What the heck are you doing? Weather.com is wrong this whole time. Cleveland did not get it. I get it. Well, here goes. Enjoy the thunderstorm. The rest of the video. I'm recording till it finishes. It's right now. It's hailing. This is. Oh, did you see that?
Look at the trampoline. It's like the snow and the trampoline.
I know. Look, you see the lightning? It hit the ground. What? It's raining like crazy. This is dangerous.
I know, but I have to go.
Be safe. Run. Don't get wet. Just stay safe. Sorry, I'm ruining the video because of my voice is ugly. So. Wow. Holy crap. Holy crap.
No, just big computer. No, that's you're not walking.
Nature is scary. That was one loud thunder. I hope I don't get tornadoes. This storm might produce tornadoes, I think, because at school I have to do the tornado practice. And right now it's hailing. You see these white stuff on the ground. These are hail. And part 2 is next.